me, Tanae Chantel, and I am back at it again with another video. This video is going to be talking about this hair that I have from Sogoodhair. So if you're interested in knowing more specs and details about this hair that I'm wearing, please keep watching. Right now, I am just showing you guys the package that it came in. It came in a white box with the Sogoodhair logo on it. So as I'm opening it, I'm showing you guys that there is the wig inside a plastic baggie. I dropped the elastic band on the floor, but I'm showing you guys that there was an elastic band that was included in the package. Excuse my broken nails, but there was also a very good quality of mink hair lashes that I'm actually wearing in the video that I absolutely loved. Along with that was also a wig cap that I would not be using in this video, but I definitely will be using in a future video. So here I am with the wig in its bag that it comes in, showing that the label says that it's a 14-inch curly bob wig. Once it focuses. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like straight out of the bag, out of the box. So it came wrapped up with the hairnet. It also had a paper stuffing inside of the wig, which I took out. And I'm just showing you guys the natural curls. The curls were pretty tight, but they were very soft. The hair was very soft, and I very much like the texture. Even after washing, co-washing and everything, the hair texture pretty much stayed the same. So I love that about the hair. As you can see in this video, I did not have a vision for this wig at first. I didn't know how I was going to pull this off because straight out of the package it was not wearable. A lot of wigs you can take it straight out of the package, you can wear it once you cut the lace, but this one, no. So I just kind of had to play with it and figure out how I wanted to wear it, but you'll see I finesse this wig. So I'm just going to make this video short, sweet, and to the point because I know you guys like that. You guys don't like all that extraness. Just tell me about this hair and tell me if it's good or not. So yes, of course, I believe this hair is good because this is my second time working with Sogoodhair. I really love this company, the communication with them, and just the overall company itself. I really do love. Now, I know y'all don't really care about all of that stuff. You talk to the seller, all that, whatever. For me, that's important from a business standpoint. But as a consumer, as a customer, I love this hair because except for that little little spritz right there, this is all my hair. This came from my scalp. Like, I like when the lace, you don't have to like put too much on it. You don't have to make it up and dye this and bleach that and make up this. Like, this is the lace, and I love the lace. Like, the lace matches so good with my complexion, and that's one thing I absolutely love about Sogoodhair. I don't have to worry about blending and melting and all that other stuff with the lace. It just lays, and I like that. So I am currently wearing a 14-inch curly bob. It's 150% density. It said that the knots were already bleached and it came pre-plucked. Somewhat for me, I like to customize it even more. That's how you get this really slay look. So of course I plucked it way more than it came, and I did bleach my knots because I wanted it to look perfect. I believe out the box you could kind of wear it, but if you want that natural, this is coming from my scalp, this is my hair look, then I would suggest bleaching the knots and plucking or customizing the frontal to your liking. The hair came super fast, and when I first took it out the box, it came with eyelashes, which are the lashes that I'm currently wearing right now. They didn't come with those cheap throwaway put it in the garbage lashes that most companies give you. These were quality 3D mink lashes, and I wanted to wear them for you guys so you can see what they look like. I tried to do my makeup kind of cute. I wanted to do something different, so hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it's not too much. I know it is like a little bit more than what I usually do, but I wanted to kind of go outside the box. But anyways, these are the lashes that came in the box. It also came with an elastic band, which I did not use. It also came with the wig cap that I did not use as well, because I have ordered a ton of wig caps, so I didn't really need to use that one, but they're definitely going to come in handy, and those are the ones that I use when I do my wigs. I just didn't need it for this time because, like I said, I bought like a ton of freaking wig caps from AliExpress for a really good price. So if you guys are interested in those, check the description box because I will link that below. I got like 50 wig caps for like $10 or something. I don't know, I could be exaggerating, but it was a really good deal, so I'm gonna make sure I put that information in the description box. But overall, I really do like this hair. This is just water on my hair, that is it. I was trying something new. I watched one of LaRasia Andrea's video, and she was talking about how I like to slay your wig or whatever, and she didn't use wig glue, she didn't use Gots to Be, she really just, well, she used Gots to Be freezing gel, and that's it. So that is how I put my wig on. When I say it only took me about 20 minutes to do this wig, it took me 20 minutes. Besides bleaching the knots, after I bleached the knots, washed it, from me putting on the wig and everything, it took me about 20 minutes. It took me longer to do my makeup than it did my hair, so that was freaking amazing. So I will also link her video below because it showed me how to just put your wig on with just Gots to Be freezing gel, so I didn't have to worry about doing the stocking cap method and making sure like this was flush and that was makeup, and it literally, I don't even have my wig cap all the way like here. Like my wig cap is just on to hold my braids together. So I actually love her method, so I'm going to make sure I put her video in my description so you guys can watch that video if you are interested in putting on your wig, which has got to be sprayed. You don't have to worry about glue, you don't have to worry about your edges coming out if that's the reason why you don't want to wear wigs or whatever. Definitely going to put her video below because I love her wig styling videos, I love her coloring videos. I actually want to incorporate more color into my videos, so but that is another discussion. Now, I do want to say that I have a coupon code for you guys, and it is TC10, so TC10, that stands for Destination Tip, and to give you $10 off when you order this hair, which is really good. I love when companies provide discount codes for you guys because I am all about saving money. I'm all about saving a coin. So if you guys purchase this wig or any wig off Sogood's website, you will get $10 off your purchase, which is absolutely amazing. So go ahead and get this wig. I definitely recommend this. I have purchased I've received other hair from them and I did love it, and I believe that their brand and their wigs are very consistent, so I really like that. The same thing that I love about their other wigs, the curl pattern and the lace being all of that. This is the same thing I have to say about this. The curl pattern is beautiful and the lace is absolutely amazing. So yeah, there's not pretty much I have to say. I didn't put any products in this. This is just me shampooing and co-washing the hair. So this is the natural texture of the hair, and it is in a bob style. I didn't cut it or anything. As you can tell, it's a little bit shorter in the back and then it gets longer in the front, so I like that. You can wear this hair different styles too. I just like it, the side part, but I can definitely, if I wanted to, I can wear it, you know, in a little, you know, like that, which I might, after a while, I might go ahead and put it in a ponytail like this, you know, because I think that's cute too. Let me see if it'll actually, I'm gonna see if I can show y'all something real quick. Can I? If I would have did it right then, y'all could have seen. But y'all get what I was trying to do. Kinda, no, but whatever. I think this hairstyle is really cute as well, but y'all get the point. I was just trying to put my ponytail up here, so that is really cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and rock it like this. So yeah, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder so I can see what I was doing. But if you guys like this hair, if you like this hairstyle, please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out this website for yourself and purchase the hair if you think it's cute on me, because if it's cute on me, I know it's gonna look bomb on you, honey. Make sure you use the coupon code TC10 when you check out so you can get $10 off your order and save a little bit of coin. And tag me on Instagram at @TheTenaciaUntil when you purchase this hair and when you're wearing it, so I can see what you guys look like too. Give me inspiration on how to wear my hair, because sometimes I get so stuck in the box when I want to change up my hairstyle. I don't know what I want to look like or how I want to color it. So if you guys try this hair out, send me pictures so I can get hairstyle inspiration. I'll definitely shout you out in my next video. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm a big fan of this hair. I'm a big fan of this company. And I hope you guys have the same experience I did. I hope you guys lay those wigs down and slay those wigs down. That's pretty much all I could say. I don't want this video to be overdrawn or you know, saying too much unnecessary stuff, so I'm going ahead and end it here. So that is it from me, guys. Again, I'm Tanisha Until. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up to show your support. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave a comment below. I love having conversations with you guys here and on social media. All my social media handles are in the description bar, and I'll also put it on the screen. But I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Stay positive, show love, and yeah, that's all I have to say. Have a good one. Bye.